What are the steps for activating my Visa gift card?
Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we'll be taking you through the process of activating your Visa gift card. By the end, you'll have a fully operational gift card ready to make purchases. Remember, it's important to follow these steps carefully to ensure that your card gets activated correctly.
What's in the package?
Firstly, let's talk about what you receive when you get a Visa gift card. Inside the package, you'll find your Visa gift card, of course. You'll also find instructions for activation. These may vary slightly depending on the provider, but generally, you'll need the card itself and possibly an activation code that comes with it.
Where can I activate my card?
Most of the time, your card can be activated online or over the phone. The specific website or phone number for activation will be detailed in your package. It's essential to use these details from the packaging and not search for them online, as it will ensure you're reaching the correct, secure destination for activation.
What information do I need to activate my card?
To activate your card, you'll usually need to provide the card number, expiration date, and the CVV or security code found on the back of the card. If an activation code came with your card, you will need this too. Always keep this information secure and avoid sharing it with anyone.
How do I activate my card online?
To activate your card online, 1. Visit the website provided with your gift card. 2. Enter your card details, the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. 3. If required, enter the activation code. 4. Follow the prompts until you receive confirmation that your card is activated.
How do I activate my card over the phone?
To activate your card over the phone, 1. Dial the phone number provided with your gift card. 2. Follow the automated instructions, entering your card details and activation code if required. 3. Stay on the line until you receive confirmation that your card has been activated. And that's it. By following these steps, you should have successfully activated your Visa gift card. Remember, if you run into any issues, contact the card issuer's customer service for assistance. Happy spending, and we hope you find this video helpful.